This is not just a story. This is based on a real incident. On the night of December 15, 2019, a 26-year-old man named Ethan Carter experienced something so terrifying that even today he cannot sleep peacefully. Ethan had just gotten married. It was supposed to be the happiest night of his life. His first night with his wife. His bride, Emily, was waiting for him in their bedroom. The room looked like a dream. Soft lights, flowers everywhere, rose petals spread across the bed, romantic music playing cutely in the background. Everything was perfect. Everything except Ethan's mind, because Ethan was not at peace. 4 days before the wedding, Ethan had gone out with his friend for his bachelor party. It was late at night when he was driving back home alone. The roads were empty. The city was quiet. And then suddenly, a speeding car hit a woman right in front of him. The impact was brutal. The woman was thrown onto the road, badly injured, crying in pain, struggling to breathe. Ethan stopped his car. He saw her. He heard her. He knew she needed help. But fear took over. His mind froze. His body refused to move. He panicked. And instead of helping her, he drove away. He left her there, bleeding, helpless, alone on the road. From that night onward, Ethan's life changed. He could not forget her face. He could not forget her eyes. He could not forget her voice. Every night, the same image came back in his mind. And every day, he blamed himself. Now, on his wedding night, standing outside the bedroom door, all those memories were still haunting him. But when Ethan entered the room and saw Emily sitting on the bed, something changed. She was wearing her wedding dress. Her face was glowing. Her jewelry sparkled under the light. A soft smile rested on her lips. For a moment, everything felt normal again. For a moment, Ethan forgot his fear. He walked toward her. Slowly, gently, he reached for her veil and lifted it. And what he saw made his blood turn cold. It was not Emily's face. It was her. The same woman from the accident. Her face was pale. Her eyes were empty. Her skin looked dead. Her expression was horrifying. Ethan stumbled backward in terror. His heart started pounding. His body started shaking. And then suddenly, everything changed. The face in front of him became normal again. It was Emily, his real wife. She looked confused, scared, worried. Seeing Ethan's reactions, she asked him what was wrong. Ethan apologized quickly. He said he was just stressed and overwhelmed. He told her he needed rest. They turned off the light. They lay down, and the room became silent. Hours passed. Deep in the night, Ethan suddenly woke up. A strange white light was coming through the window. It was shining directly on his face. As his eyes adjusted to the darkness, he saw something in the room, a dark shadow standing near the wall. Not moving, just watching. Slowly, the shadow began to move toward him. At the same time, the lights in the room started flickering. On, off, on, off. The air became heavy. The shadow grew bigger, paler, darker, and then it took shape, a human shape, a woman shape, and suddenly she was standing right in front of his bed. It was the same woman from the accident. Her face twisted, her eyes hollow, her body unnatural, her presence terrifying. Ethan screamed, a loud, desperate, terrified scream. Emily woke up immediately. She turned on the lights, and what she saw terrified her too. Ethan was laying unconscious on the bed. His body was stiff. His face was pale. His eyes closed. She screamed for help. The family rushed into the room. They sprinkled water on his face. After a few moments, Ethan opened his eyes. When he regained consciousness, he told everyone everything about the accident, about the woman, about leaving her on the road, about what he saw in the room. Late that day, someone from the neighborhood shared shocking news. A woman living nearby had died in a road accident 4 days ago. The date matched. The accident matched. The description matched. It was the same woman. The woman Ethan had left on the road. Ethan broke down. He cried. He begged God for forgiveness. He lived with guilt. Even today, Ethan does not know the truth. He does not know if the woman spirit really came to him that night, or if it was just his guilt, his fear, his broken consciousness, creating a nightmare inside his mind. But one thing is certain, after that night, he never saw her again. Friends, if you like this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more true horror stories, real life mysteries, and dark experiences.